What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how to adjust brightness, contrast, white balance, and other pro photography settings on the camera app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So the S22 Ultra is really packed with features and modes, a lot of which aren't advertised or very well known. And what might not be too well known is the fact that you can quite easily and quickly access basic photography sliders like brightness, contrast, and white balance directly from the camera app without too much tinkering. So what you want to do is actually not use the default photo mode, as a default photo mode doesn't give you access to some of these features right off the bat. What you want to do is enter the Pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera app. So to do so, what you want to do is scroll over to More there. And as you can see in More, you have access to a few more options in terms of camera modes. Pro mode's at the top left here, and you can access this every time through the More app, or you can actually drag Pro mode down to your slider, and then you can use it anytime you wish by just sliding over to wherever you placed it on your slider. So once you're in Pro mode, you'll notice that the layout and the UI is slightly different on the camera app. Particularly what you might want to pay attention to is the top here. Here at the top, you can hit this button here and it gives you access to things like contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, and tint. You can also hit a few other options that are available to you through this menu, and you'll be able to adjust things like the contrast by using the slider left and right here. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to quickly access some basic photography sliders on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's Pro mode. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.